So, hello, dear diary, my digital diary. I should look here. Uh, I am very happy, very cheerful today. Although I forgot to comb my hair, like did not forgot. It's just that I did not had the time. I was so busy doing all the work. So just let me reiterate what all I did today. First, I have to learn two, three things. I have to keep my shoulders up and I do not have to do this while talking. These two, three things I need to finish. Make changes to. So I woke up at around 9 today. Then I washed the dishes. I washed the clothes. I mopped the room. I took bath. I prayed. Then I made my brunch, and it was chawal sabzi, and it was very tasty. I had that, and then I studied for a bit, and then I slept. I slept for 1 hour, then I woke up. I again tried to study, but then best friend's call came and we engaged for a bit stretched time because he was feeling emotional and all. So I had to give him that leverage, time. So I was there, and then I finished the call. By that time, it was already 5:30 p.m. And then after that, I had to wash my dishes again and cook the evening meal, that is dinner, because here in this scorching summer, it has become a tendency that the power cuts are very normal, very usual. So I had to manage my time according to that. And yesterday I was suffering a lot because of that, because I started to prepare my dinner at around 11 p.m. So it was very disturbing for me, for my mental health. So I thought that let's do a little bit early that today. So I made it. I had my dinner. I again bathed. I washed my clothes and I prayed to God. And it feels just so good. I nowadays I have started a practice of writing God's name one page, and it's just so surreal and beautiful, and it makes me just happy, so much happy. Then I uh, heard some songs. I vibed to it, and it was a good time. I after a very long time, like I keep getting these epiphanies every now and then, but I feel good whenever that happens. You know what? When I was young, when I was like in 12th standard, I used to feel this sudden happiness at once. I had this like 2 3 times in a day. I don't know, it was about weather or it was about my age. I don't know what was that, or it was because of the reason that I had crush. Like it was the puberty time, you know. I don't know what was that, but I used to feel so happy out suddenly, and I used to run to my mom and I was like, Mommy, I'm feeling so happy. And she used to look at me and smile, and she's like, very good, it's a good thing, you should always be happy. And whenever I feel that identical feeling again, I feel so good about that. Now I said feel so many times, but that, yeah, that makes me happy. And overall also the days are going beautiful. I'm grateful for I have dreamt of these days, these kind of days, and the comfort that I have. I used to dream about all these, and when I'm getting all these, like, it feels so good. I feel thankful towards God so much, and it makes me feel so much of gratitude and all of that. I am thinking of starting uh, paying jal, offering jal to Shankar, to Lord Sun. Like, I want to do that. I'll start that after, not after, I'll start it very early. I think in 2 or 3 days, I want to wake up at 4. I want to pray and offer water, a glass of water to Lord Sun. He's just my best friend. He had made so much of my dreams into reality. I'm so grateful to him. And it's the days are going great. There has been a very frequent power cut as compared to yesterday. It's going to be 5 minutes. Okay, bye.